Hello, this is Jabulo. Today I would like to introduce myself and to talk about the speech of 2026. On 4 March 2020, the world stopped, business closed, streets were empty, uncertainty ruled. Most people asked, how will we survive? I asked a different question on that time. What if this is the opportunity? While the world ran from uncertainty, I ran towards probability. While most traders were losing money, I decided I would not be the part of that statistic. Let me take you back. At the time, I was running a small soap business at Ishowe in KZN. That is soap we called Sun Yellow, and the Handy Andy also. I had machines, chemicals, counters. Then the building owner said that by 4 March 2020 we all stay at home. I felt like the world, like the end of the world. I took everything. Home built a small setup, and I decided this time I will study trading seriously. I deposited $20. I remember, not to make money, but to test to research and to learn. Very quickly, I noticed something important. The market is not randomly. There is a structure, patterns, timing, probability inside. One question kept me awake. Why do 95% of traders lose money? Why do 95% of traders lose money? At first, I won and lost. But my focus was a skill, not a profit. Emotionally, it was a difficult business. Stopped pressure was really psychologically. I was unprepared. Okay? Data collection and failure analysis. I watched a YouTube. I read forums. 95% of traders fail. Why? I made the mistakes myself. No stop loss, too big a lot size, trading anytime, any asset, over leveraging, losses mounted over 100,000. It was painful to me, but it was the part of the research. It was a tuition. It was a data lesson learned. Emotions destroy probability. Mistakes repeat unless a controlled discipline is random. Formulation of a structure. I realized that the 95% are using the same methods, common, public, predictably. So I decided to go deeper. Mathematics, probability, science, data tracking, algorithmic testing, patterns, recognition, risk management, absolutely disciplined. By 2021, I developed a smart money protocol. By 2022, the robot Tigilakati was born. By 2025, 118 formula emerged. Data became my guide, risk management, my foundation, discipline, my daily habit. Okay, let us talk about the strategy and the logic. Here's how I trade. I use a time, price, a probability, and the structure. A turning point is calculated, not guessed. It is the probability of a directional change derived from patterns and structure. I follow 1:3 risk-reward ratio. I do not trade more than 5 trades per direction. Lot size are controlled. Drawdown are limited. This is different because I don't rely on public indicators. I rely on math, structure, probability. Okay, let us talk about result and consistency. After 5 years, by mid 2025, consistency emerged. What does consistency mean? Not analyzing emotionally, not chasing the market, calculating, executing a disciplined. Executed expected annually returns is will be 30 to 100%, model based. Drawdown controlled below 10%. Capital protection is a priority. Growth is a second. Vision and opportunity. My vision is to build a structure fund. A fund that competes but is transparent, disciplined. Mathematically, we have a robust trading robot, a simple to use, scalable, reliable. Minimum investment is 500 Rand. Who is this for? Not gamblers, but investors who understand a patient, compounding, structured growth. Risk alignment is simple. I operate under the same rules and exposure as an investors. When a capital grows, we grow together. When a risk increases, I feel it too. Conclusion. 5 years ago, on 4 March 2020, I entered the market during uncertainty. Today, I no longer trade emotion. I trade probability. The really question is, who want to grow with a discipline instead of gambling with a hope? Thank you.